Guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the MEMEFI address on Bitget Exchange. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your Bitget Exchange. Once you open your Bitget Exchange, you wait for it to open. Okay, let's wait for it. So the next thing you need to do is you're going to find your okay, I'm going to refresh. Okay, click on your assets. Once you click on your assets, you're going to find your add fund. Once you click on add fund, click on deposit crypto. And the next thing you need to do is search for MEMEFI, and this is it. Once you just search for MEMEFI, do this identity verification, then you're going to be able to bring out the address and just copy it. Then it's very easy for you. But make sure you are verified. If you're not verified, you'll not be able to get it. MEMEFI address. It's very easy and simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.